Today you're going to be starting your systems project. So what you're going to want to do is go to your Summit. What you're going to do is you're going to click on linear equations and linear systems. Once you click that, it'll bring you to a page like this. Remember, this is linear equations and linear systems math unit. So these three were due last week, so if you have not completed them, you need to make sure you complete them. What you're going to do is you're going to hit Systems Project. Okay, what happens is this can be your end of unit assessment. So this is worth a test grade. So go ahead and open it. And this is what it should look like. This project is going to be due November 30th by 4 p.m. So that is the last Monday of November. It is worth a total of 15 points. What you're going to do is read through what is happening through this guy named Bill. He needs to order baseball jerseys for his new baseball team, and he's comparing t-shirt companies. So you need to create an equation. You'll need to graph it. Don't forget to make a key. You'll have to answer some questions, and then there will be a third company, similar to what we did with the example airplane companies, but a little bit different, obviously, because, you know, we're dealing with t-shirts, obviously. But go ahead and get started. Now, keep in mind, you will have time in class to finish this, but remember, we're not helping you on this project. It's what you know, not what we know. Yes, we can help guide you and into the right direction. We're not going to let you sit there and struggle, but we're not going to do the work for you. Please keep this in mind, especially when we do our next project. It's going to be the same thing throughout the whole year. So go ahead and get started. And once you are done, make sure that you look it over and submit it through Summit. Do not email it to us.